The headline is, Judge Rejects Claim That the Arizona PFR Registry Violates Constitutional Rights. Tell us more about this case, Larry.
But a federal judge shot down a lawsuit challenging the constitutionality of Arizona's registration laws, ruling that the state is justified in tracking the residencies and the online identifiers of people convicted of crimes against children.
Now, tell us more about this case. It's always about protecting the children, including squashing every Fourth Amendment protection you have and searching all of your internet data, but it's all about protecting the children.
2 years ago, a man convicted of sexual misconduct with a minor, back in 2016, he filed this lawsuit challenging multiple aspects of the registry laws, arguing that they violate his free speech and his due process rights. And he had fear that he was going to be receiving threats of violence, and I think those were legitimate. But he sought to nullify the laws that require him to register as a PFR for life and to report online identifiers he uses and register his residence every time he stays in a new county for 3 days or more.
Well, Doe claimed that requiring him to share his online usernames and activity is tantamount to infringing upon his freedom of speech, and said that he worried it could be used to expose his identity to the public.
He noted that the Arizona law doesn't allow for the public disclosure of any of the personal information tied to online identifiers that PFRs use. The only way the two could be linked is if a person has lawful reason for asking for it and submits a PFR's fingerprints to the sheriff's office with that request. It doesn't tell you can't post. You can post all you want to. It's kind of like travel. You can travel all you want to. You just may not get in. But instead, the law merely seeks to monitor where the PFRs are engaging online. And the only way the two could be linked, according to the judge, is if a person has a lawful reason for asking for and submits the PFR's fingerprints to the sheriff's office with a request. Now, how are you, as an individual, going to get the fingerprints of a PFR to submit it to the sheriff?